Hey, thanks for visit my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Rockstar Games Launcher login error 1.0.0.7, along with the message unable to handle your request at this time or unable to authenticate with Rockstar Game Services. Let's go ahead and start with the fixes. Step 1. Close Google Chrome completely. If you are using Google Chrome, make sure that all Chrome windows and tabs are completely closed before attempting to sign in to Rockstar Games Launcher. Even if Chrome is running in the background, it can sometimes interfere with the Rockstar authentication process. Close every Chrome tab and then exit the browser completely. Step 2. Disable browser extensions. Open Google Chrome. Click on the extensions icon located at the top right corner. Select Manage Extensions. Now disable all installed extensions one by one. Extensions such as VPNs, ad blockers, privacy tools, or security add-ons can sometimes prevent Rockstar services from authenticating properly. Once all extensions are disabled, restart the Rockstar Games Launcher and try signing in again. Step 3. Enter email address carefully. When entering your Rockstar account email address, make sure there are no typing mistakes. Some users have reported success after retyping their email address carefully and ensuring the first character is entered correctly before signing in. After entering your email and password, click Sign In and check whether the error is resolved. Step 4. Change region and time settings. Press Windows +I to open settings. Click on Time and Language. Select Language and Region. Under Country or Region, temporarily change your region to either United States or United Kingdom. After changing the region, click Date and Time. Enable Set Time automatically. Enable Set Time Zone automatically if available. Then click Sync Now. Once the synchronization is complete, launch Rockstar Games Launcher and attempt to log in again. If this method does not work, revert the region and time settings back to your original country and synchronize the clock again. Step 5. Try a different network connection. Network-related restrictions can also trigger authentication errors. Disconnect your current internet connection. If you are using Ethernet, unplug the cable. If you are using Wi-Fi, disconnect from the network. Now enable mobile hotspot on your smartphone and connect your PC to the hotspot. After connecting to the new network, launch Rockstar Games Launcher and try signing in again. If the issue is caused by your ISP, router, or network configuration, this method may resolve it instantly. Step 6. Perform a clean reinstallation. If none of the previous methods work, perform a complete clean reinstall of Rockstar Games Launcher. Download Geek Uninstaller from its official website. Launch Geek Uninstaller as administrator. Locate Rockstar Games Launcher. Right-click it and select Uninstall. If you have GTA 5 or any Rockstar game installed, uninstall it as well. Allow Geek Uninstaller to remove any leftover files and registry entries. After the removal process is complete, restart your computer. Now download and install the latest version of Rockstar Games Launcher and then reinstall your game. Once the installation finishes, try signing in again. This method usually fixes corrupted launcher files, damaged authentication components, and account-related cache problems that can trigger error 1.0.0.7. Those are the most effective solutions for fixing Rockstar Games Launcher login error 1.0.0.7, unable to handle your request at this time, and unable to authenticate with Rockstar Game Services. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss future troubleshooting guides. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Gave him a strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes.